Hi there, and welcome to Allotment Week, where everyone will enjoy themselves. Do you want to say anything to the viewers? Hey guys, it's Allotment Week this week, and tidying the shed, tidying the allotment, and there's a delightful individual there, my wife. Wonderful lady. Hence I'm a wonderful bear. Anyway, we're going to be looking at tidying our allotment. A lot of weeding going on, a lot of tidying up to be done. And just trying to relax into it. Pretty nippy, but it'll be nice. We'll have a great time. So it'll be done over a few days or even a week, and then I'll put something together which you'll see in a few minutes, no doubt. I'll just show you what we're going to do here. It's a little bit of tidying to be done, obviously weeding, and we're going to aim to cover the front bed here. You see my lovely wife there, just getting the area sorted. So we're going to be a bit busy, as you can see. I'm just going to be sorting this area out. The main plan is to eventually dismantle the shed and have it set back a bit further over there, have it patioed here, and I'll rebuild another one, so that'd be quite an interesting one. Just to let everyone know, I don't know anything about gardening, okay, so bear with me. My wife's the expert, not me. Okay, this is landscape sheeting we're putting down now because it lets the water in, it keeps the weeds at bay. Quite a long sheet. I better put this down because I'm not going to be very popular if I don't help. It's important to keep the soil moist when you put this on because it keeps all the nutrients going, encourages healthy organisms and things like worms and all the other stuff plants need to thrive when you put them in. It's really good stuff. It's just a nightmare to put it in when it's windy. It's not too bad today, but we've had times when it's been very, very windy and it feels like you're a sailboat flying in the sky. Be exact, but what you don't want is the soil being exposed to the corners because it's just going to encourage the weeds to suddenly do, oh hello, I've got some light here, I'm going to use this. You don't want that at all. I sound like an expert here, I'm not. Just stuff you pick up when someone actually does know what you're talking about. My lovely love of my life. Mrs. LF. Nearly there. We've done this, we're going to peg it down. We've got these little plastic pegs which are ideal for it, and you need more than you think, trust me. If you only put say 4 or 6 down or 8 down, that's not enough, trust me. You're going to probably watch it blow away now. Okay, that's the next bit. Okay, these are the pegs I was on about. I don't know if you heard me before, but you need more than you think. So you buy them in packets of say 50 or 100, not very expensive. The idea is to force down the corners. I don't want it to get blown away with the wind, like I said before, and keep it fairly straight because if the wind gets underneath it, it'll rip it up, which is not what you want. So I'm going to put some more in in a second. It's just to tack it down. So I'll just put this one back there. It's actually quite enjoyable doing this. I don't know why, I find it very therapeutic. Sticking things in the ground. My wife will attest to this. I like digging holes and putting fence posts in. So I'll probably do a thing on that. When I say thing, I mean some sort of video. Thank you for placing your foot in a wonderful position there, my darling. Be around to fill in these other gaps in a second. Trying to keep this as taut as I can get it. I could have done a better job with this, to be honest with you, but it's better to be down than not, I guess. You don't want to be too close to the edge. It's important to have a little bit of movement because you're going to end up ripping it. Especially the wind gets in it, it's just roughly back there. That'll do. Gosh, some of them go easy, some of them don't. They look quite hard, but if you get a stone they can snap, so it's another reason why to buy more than you think you need. I think, due to the weather we're having at the moment, I think I'll put some more in. Nearly done. This should be about right. My gut's telling me to put one here, so I'm going to do that. That's good. Good job. Jobbed. This stuff's actually not that expensive, but it's certainly worth its weight in gold when you're trying to keep the weeds at bay. Given the amount of effort you put into these things, you don't want to be creating more work than you need to. So this is pretty good. So keep everything all lovely. And the idea is obviously you decide what we're going to put in. We're not sure what we're going to put in there just yet. I'll probably let you know at some point. I will confer with the boss first and ask. But something nice, and what you do is you just obviously pierce a hole and plant directly into the spot you want it, and it keeps everything else at bay. I know it doesn't look very nice, but if you're trying to get produce and things like that on the go without creating more work for yourself, then this is ideal. Job. looks like the first two beds I was saying earlier, this has all been dug up, raked over, and it's pretty much prepared now. We're just going to get some of this stuff here, which is chicken poos. This is the stuff we use. Seems to be the best value, gives us the best result. And we're just going to sprinkle it lightly over here and start raking it in. Wow, Donna, what do you reckon? Just about wide enough? Just about long enough? Just. Wow. Well, this is going to be great. Can't wait to get rid of all this stuff too. Make it all lovely around here. Okay, now to put the pussycats at bay, we're going to put this scaffolding netting on there. Is that right, darling? Cool. I might have to put this down. Keeps other stuff off here too, so it makes the job look nicer. Okay, we're just trying to keep it propped up a little bit, but obviously when the plants get in, we're going to have little supports here, and what we tend to use is bamboos with plastic bottles on, just so the netting doesn't get ripped through. And we'll keep you posted about what's happening next.